different headlight housings, and we're going to show you exactly how you mount these amazing headlights in your vehicles. Before you try them on, please double check you're getting the right headlights that fit your vehicles. The first step you're going to do is to find the right location of your old headlights, and for some housings there will be a rubber gasket for water protection here, and all you need to do is to just take it out and put off the wiring harness connected to the headlight. And according to different housings such as H4 and H7, there is a little clip that you have to lift up. Then you can get the old bulb out, easy and nice. And make sure you don't touch the bulb. And to mount these headlights in for this specific housing, first you need to twist this collar out and put it back to the housing. And push back this little metal holder. Then we can gently position it back to the socket. And once in position, you just simply twist the bulb and make sure it locks into place. Then connect it. Quite easy to do. For other type of housing, it will be more simpler. Take H11 housing example. It will be exactly same with 9006. You just need to twist the old bulb out and twist the new one in. Simple as that. Generally, the most important thing is to make sure you get the right pair of headlights for a vehicle, and the installation will be quite easy. Same with H4 housing, there is a little clip that you have to lift up first, and you can get the old bulb out. And twist this collar out, put it back to the socket, push back the metal holder. Gently position it to the socket and simply twist the bulb and make sure it locks into place. For 9006, simply twist the bulb in. Make sure it locks into place. And the last step is to test them out. So, if you have any question regarding to the installation and the products, feel free to send us an email or leave a message on Facebook. Thanks for watching. I'm Louis. See you guys next time.